I want some cake. Hello. How's everyone doing today? And welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a smackalicious day. Today, I will be making cream cheese pound cake. Here I'm beating my butter and cream cheese for 30 seconds. Here I'm adding my 3 cups of sugar. Add 1 cup at a time. Scrape down your sides and continue beating. Here I have 6 large eggs. You want to beat them one at a time, and you want to beat it for about 30 seconds. Scrape down your edges and continue beating. Here I'm sifting 3 cups of cake flour. Add sifted cake flour to batter. After adding flour, beat until smooth, about 30 seconds. Here I'm adding 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Stir in until completely combined. Here I have my 2 pan and I'm spraying it with Baker's Joy. Bake cake in your preheated oven for about an hour and 45 minutes. You're going to let it cool in a pan for 20 minutes and then remove it from the pan and let it cool completely on a wire rack for about 2 hours. Look how fluffy and creamy the inside looks. And look at that crunchy crust. Getting ready to get a taste. Oh my gosh, Smackalicious. You guys better try it. And there you have it, my cream cheese pound cake. Thank you for watching my video and hope you enjoyed it. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Hope you have a smackalicious day. Bye, my smackalilies. Bye.